Everybody sets health goals, and health goals should be a part of your daily life. I mean, life is about balance, and it's not easy because we have financial goals, we have health goals, we want to raise our kids the right way, but there is something to be said about the law of attraction. The power that you actually have within you is incredible, but we're diverted from that power all the time, because we want to grab our phones and look and see what the news is, check social media, watch TV, all of these different things. So today, I'd like for you to really think about yourself. Think about what you can do to make a difference. I don't know if you've watched The Secret. It's an old movie that came out basically based on the law of attraction. But I think that we've lost the ability to believe in ourselves and believe that we actually have the power to create positive change in our life. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. If you can see it in your mind, you can believe it. If you can see yourself healthy, if you can see yourself financially successful, if you can see yourself in a loving relationship with your wife or your girlfriend or your kids or whoever you have that you want to build that relationship on. The thing that holds us all back is just taking action, making those small steps every single day. Believing that you're wealthy, and when I say believing that you're wealthy, not only financially, but you're giving back. Life is all about balance. I mean, when you look at all of the different things that you have going on a daily basis, there's always going to be something that suffers, okay? But we have to understand that. If you start, there's only so much you can do in a day. So the answer is in balance. Balancing out your exercise program, balancing out and making those healthy decisions to eat healthy food, balancing out your family time, balancing out your personal development time. If you're not making progress every single day, becoming a better you, then you need to stop and you need to start taking action now. You need to have faith that you have the power to create, that your decisions and your thoughts are manifestations, that you're powerful. That's why we were created. We are powerful beings. We've just been led to think that we don't have the power to do that. And with addictions and with sugar and all of these things, it's hard to control the mind. But if you radiate that love and you give thanks and you give gratitude, where will you be a month from now? Where will you be 3 months from now? Where will you be 5 months from now? Where will you be a year from now? Where will you be 5 years from now? These are some of the things that you should be thinking about, because these are the things that a lot of people don't think about. And these are important things. Is your life and your destination even designed? Is it well designed? Is it not designed? So I would recommend taking action right away and thinking about these things and spending time in meditation and spending time. Think about how good you feel when you eat a good meal. Think about how bad you feel when you eat a bad meal. Usually it's the first bite of the pizza, the first bite of the hamburger, the first bite of the dessert that is that mentally satisfying experience. If you ever notice that and pay attention to that, pay attention to how you feel when you eat. Pay attention to how you feel before you eat. Actually, studies have shown that the excitement comes. Like if you know you're going to have ice cream, or if you know you're going to have a dessert in 10 or 15 minutes, your body releases endorphins that produce a temporary feeling of happiness before you even put it in your mouth. Usually when you put it in your mouth, the first bite, you get another spike, but then after that, it starts going down. So what is your destination? Like, what is it that you want to achieve in life? I can tell you that cleansing and detoxification and health is the starting point for everything. If you're suffering from any condition, whether it's anxiety, fear, loneliness, depression, or any negative health condition, maybe insomnia or diabetes, it doesn't matter, any condition, all of these start from within, because that just means that your self-healing mechanism is suppressed. The earlier you start, the quicker your fortune will come to you. The earlier you make the good decisions in your life that you need to make, the earlier your fortune will come to you. We always go, this is a simple proverb, but we always go the direction we face. And we face the direction that we design. So if you design a healthy direction, you're going to go that way. But it takes willpower. It takes discipline. It takes you putting forth the effort to go in that direction. It's only a small journey to create positive change. All you have to say is, right now is the beginning of a new me, a better me, a healthier me. I still have to do this too every single day. The journey never stops. It's all about those micro decisions. It's all about doing those cleanses, cleansing your body, living by the 90-10 rule. You know, 90% of the time, or 80-20 rule, or 90-10 rule. 80% of the time you're doing things great. 90% of the time is what I strive for, the 90-10 rule. So look online, do some positive affirmations in the morning. I talked about how important the mornings are. You have to win the mornings. The mornings are powerful. Do affirmations, listen to these things, make the decisions, make it repetition. The more that you hear it, the better and the more effective it is. So have a wonderful, great day. And do something special for somebody today, because that makes you feel good and that makes you feel happy.